Bokojan along KSA pen armu chijeng ponsi Bokojan STO civil arudeng pinpur aloki pajirda. Karbi Anglong Termas Council CEM Achor sangpi kaceteron pila pen area sang hotu pen hidi sokero sai kedeng. Harughat United Students Union of Karbi Anglong sai hemalong AC ke toka cepade ke padopon. Kardom Karbi Prime Time along penili Villarban Kropi non bir tang ton pen arjoitha. Bokojan District Committee KSA tum kachipatir pipen HSTC KNCA SYJ SYC Aisa 11 RYA tum kachirabdun pen phai kunini phai krep ho arni anar lopor phai krihnia por malom pen Bokojan HS Kula thengno pen armuch jengsi CM Sarbananda Sonowal lapen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram rong hangatum aphan panongsi Bokojan STO civil arding epak pen pura loki pajir dama birta card news pherang ke Bokojan pen birta nang pali Pinpur alo along ke jongpon ke Karbi Anglong along ke do boro khaya tong phan ST Hills ki pi ponchi po along KSA HSTC KNCA SYC SYJ RYA lepen Aisa tum chedon dundi pang thek kachepaklang pensil la so side deng athe boro te boro lo isibet boro ladak thakra ST Hills lapen ST Plains ki pinang jaron pinchong nang nilu pusi HSTC achun banglai chaning leng pen ningje athe Karbi Anglong along Karbi atum ST Hills ki pitang dat apita pini arniata inglong so tum aphan ki panong pi boreng hoi pen cheng lok ko an ma kilong dundang jianta long dunde kilong dunji kali ke doktaran ta kithi asi boro tuma phan pithudet lote Karbi atum ke reng dunun elu pusi ningje KSA amaipu simian rong phar pen ta kedam tang arn inglong sukalia tumate non tribal council atum pen Bokojan along kache song sai padopon alang litum pen longle patala pen klora license hai hui alam pen amuki bang VSIC Niranjan Karmakar pen anil topo tum ke claim lake aphu kang cho cha sailo Latum Karbi Anglong kido pen pini arni anta thang aron ateng atumo chini ne Karbi penan par kecha so tum arideng si partala pen license ke long ke onglo lasilason nang claim top pen radaphan pamang husi kacharbo aphan sila ke claim lo lapen an parta lahaya sai lang no lake Bokojan MLA Dr Numor Momin EM Madhurjo Thekil Phokon lapen MSc Mukut Mahanta tumsi kapen khat pasi akoipi Dr Numor Momin go back Madhurjo Thekil Phokon go back lapen BJP go back phai hui kahiring pon padosi pinpur alo Bokojan civil STO arideng pajirdam Labang so sai long laichan England Simon Rongpar Raju Kathar Ajay Kathar Rocky Tobi pen chenglok prekjam asong along arpuki thetum chetong dunsi mesen pen pachun ponlo Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram rong hangachor sangpi kacheteron pilapen alangli risang hotum pen hidia sok kerot asai ki claim pona birda phai kunini phai krepli ani card news asa hemalong birta nangli Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Achor sangpi kacheteron pilapen alangli risang hotum pen hidia sok kerot asai kedeng alangli tumpen hidia sok kerot asai ki badopon ajok bithung reng thama constituency angkang ongdung asai katiki arat tum jasemet pen swarlo tum aning arong rinti Karbi Anglong angkang Karbi ajutang jubat lapen kijoi ki pathu mate sport sahin kirung ponason thak thaksi sai katiki hinta Karbi Anglong arat aphan ingthur ponang jibusi chirok tong arat tum penta kaning je pon pado Harughat United Students Union of Karbi Anglong asa hemalong Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru apothak AC competition ke paman pona birta phai kurini phai krep ho arni kadni sosa hemalong phedang ke pen birta nang pali Harughat United Students Union of Karbi Anglong asa hemalong ningkan kreni pen ningkan kretrok loketarli aus maratma phan Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru apothak AC ke tok kachipati ke paman pon usuka song duben gidam tang arni pen tarat phan ason kangthur pon asai kedeng pon pado lason thak thak sigibang jarni sitame mithang along rialong anju se khai khacheng thordun thek japhan chirap chito dunji bata Harughat usuka chunbang bidasing rong pi pen ningje namalam sopor phan biar tamang to panik sina that time of the month yes women experience discomfort and irritation and stops them to grab the opportunities in their life. But from now, say bye to discomfort and irritation with Wing Sanitary Pads, a product of Karbi Anglong. It's safe and comfortable, 100% natural product, ultra-thin, eco-friendly, biodegradable and affordable price. And leak lock paste technology used. Wing sanitary pads, best fits to women needs so that nothing stops you. For further queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Please tap in Ishan Motors. A showroom cum sales point of Royal Enfield, opposite of Langpi Dahangi Rural Bank, Dilaji Branch, Rongkhelan, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. For more details, please contact 97748 73915, 7896 169021 or 957 988 008. Come one, come all. Grand opening of Bazar India. A shopping mall consisting of various quality of gents wear, ladies wear, kids wear, and tremendous quality of household items, accessories, etc. Main Market, Old LIC Building, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Looking for your needs? Visit Bazar India. Atorkimi Outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, and grocery items are also available according to your needs. Atorkimi Outlet opposite Langpi Dahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason selam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihnamo people tharbirta long bangtholo. Sumindar adang along phai kunini phai crepo arni World Diabetes Day arni ki pawan pon along pachton dunsi difu cooperative building arum along free glucose testing and health checkup camp ki padupona birta nangli. Sumindar adang pi along World Diabetes Day arni ki pawan pon along pachton dunsi difu lang pidangi rural bank atumpen patirpi ponsi free blood glucose testing and health checkup camp difu cooperative building arum along ki padupon. Labang soja meglong difference pi angkang ong dung bang pi tumta cipak langtun. Bukulia police station ki parlang kang phai kunini phai crep ho ani adap apor malom Bukulia Rukasen college thengnu along inut athan bang aphan ihum ki paprap thektik tata masia kar ki patong ajok apran ki dam nang birta kar ni sa hemalong birta nangli. National Highway 36 Kacheleng Atawarpi Bukulia Rukasen College atheng nolong inut kangli kangkrang pen ki paprap thektik car ke vega jok inut than bang apran ki dam nang AS09 AC 0183 ihum tata masia car AS09N 7909 number a bike aphan ahiring tangrak pen ki patong longa jok dharani kantarnath pu inut athan bang apran ki dam than bang dharani kantarnath apran ki dam nang abirta car julong pen ong dong raratum ning duprinti Karbi prime time birta bangkila panskang ton moniglo domi thakmi kurbang thu